In this final video of the series, you will learn how to use the information from this video along with the last 6 videos to create a trading bot. This is after all a crypto-based channel, and if you didn't realize this was all going to tie into crypto at some point, it's because you're still just getting to know me. As most of us already know, ChatGPT is not be able to predict the next 100x crypto gem. That said, it does have some very powerful use cases, and we'll get more into that right now. To get started, you'll need 2 things. 1. A tradingview.com account. 2. A Pionex trading account. They're already set up for you to create and add your own trading bot. Let's build a trading bot. You don't have to learn how to code, but a basic knowledge will help maximize the bot in the long run, just like a basic knowledge of how to prompt ChatGPT takes your use of ChatGPT to the next level. This is similar to that. We will not be using ChatGPT for bot creation. We will instead use Pionex GPT to create the bot, and then we'll backtest on one of my favorite tools, tradingview.com. First, let's choose what strategy we want to code and test. This is just for example. You choose whatever strategy you already use or anything you think will work for you. There are 9 preset prompts for creating bots. However, you can create your own prompt using the information you learned in the 6 previous videos. Choose your trading strategy. With Pionex GPT, you can write code to test the performance of any crypto indicator or a combination of indicators as shown above using a very simple prompt. In this video, I'll ask Pionex GPT to code a simple Bollinger Band strategy, as it is one of the preset prompts. Remember, you have to choose your own analysis and strategy. Next, you need to get the source code. 1. Once the code has been generated, you can click on Copy and Backtest on tradingview.com button. 2. This will take you directly into your TradingView account. If you have already logged in at TradingView, you will be taken to whatever you were doing last in TradingView. In my case, it is the BTC/USD chart. This chart has a lot of noise on it, so I will change it to BTC/USDT. 3. At the bottom of your chart, you will see and click on the Pine Editor button. 4. Once Pine Editor is open, paste the code and then click Create a working copy. 5. Now enter a name for your script and click Save again. Next, click Add to Chart and be sure you are using regular candlesticks, or this won't work and you'll get the error message shown in this screenshot. 3. Improve results. Let's tweak a few parameters in the code to change the performance of your strategy before we start. For me, and most likely for you as well, trading with $1 million is unrealistic, so let's change it to $2,000, $5,000, or whatever is closer to your actual situation. For this setting, I'll use $5,000. After the change from $1 million to $5,000, the performance is almost the exact same percent on the hour chart. Which means instead of $2,975.60, I would have made $2,875.80, less than $100 difference. However, the maximum drawdown did change from $9,000 range to over $12,000 range when I switched to BTC/USD pair, which is not great, so there's still lots of room for improving this strategy if you trade outside of BTC/USDT pair. Also, I tried different pairs and times, including ETH/USD, XRP/USD, and of course BTC/USD. And none performed as well as BTC/USDT on the hour time frame. Profit percent on the hour time frame is 71.71%. 4. Analyze performance. Once you add the strategy to the chart, you can analyze its performance in the strategy tester button shown here in red rectangle. You can change almost anything including timeframes to see on which time frame the strategy is performing best. In my case, the strategy has the best performance on the hour chart where it generates a $2,875.80 profit, which is approximately 58% of the entire account. On the other hand, it loses money on very low timeframes and doesn't even show up on the monthly timeframes for the pair BTC/USDT. You can use this to see the list of all trades, see the maximum drawdown you would incur, the backtesting date range, and much more. Also, tell your bot to reinvest 100% of your profits. This way, profits will compound and your overall gain will be much higher. Now it's time to try it for yourself. Now that you know how, you can use Potential GPT to test other indicators or to code strategies from scratch using several indicators. Should you actually want to learn to code in PineScript version 5, as this is the programming language used by both TradingView and Potential GPT. I have included a link to the code training manual from TradingView in the description. If you get errors, you can copy and paste the error messages in Potential GPT and ask it to fix them for you. Try different timeframes and crypto pairs to see where your strategy is performing best. Remember, this is all just fun and games right now. Before you consider plugging any strategy into an exchange and use it to trade hard-earned money, you should do extensive tweaking, backtesting and demo trading before risking any real cash. The bottom line. With Potential GPT, you can now easily backtest any trading strategy that pops into your head. This is absolutely mind-blowing, because just a few months ago, you would need to hire a developer or completely learn to code to be able to achieve these exact same results. Take advantage of this incredible video series you've gone through and build something unique and profitable. To leverage the insights from the video series, unlock the potential of ChatGPT with advanced prompting techniques and build a trading bot using Potential GPT, you will need to adapt the techniques mentioned in the videos to suit the context of crypto trading. Here's how you may want to do that. Understanding the video's concepts in the context of trading. Just as the previous videos explained advanced prompting techniques for ChatGPT, you can apply these same techniques to generate prompts for Potential GPT and your trading bot. Instead of generating engaging stories or detailed content, your prompts will now guide the bot to make informed trading decisions based on market data and trends. 1. Applying chain of thought COT prompting. In crypto trading, COT prompting will help your bot consider various factors before executing a trade. Create prompts that instruct the bot to think step by step about the market conditions, indicators, the current trend and historical data. This way, the bot can break down its reasoning process and incorporate all these aspects to make more accurate trading decisions. For example, prompt the bot with, think step by step about the current market conditions, recent price movements, and RSI indicators. Enumerate logical outcomes based on these factors and use them to determine whether to execute a buy or sell trade. 1. Implementing fact-guided two-phase prompting. Fact-guided two-phase prompting can be applied to guide your bot's trading strategy. Instead of generating stories, the bot will generate trading signals and strategies based on the information it derives from the data you provide. For instance, you could prompt the bot with, generate the most important facts about the current state of Bitcoin, including recent price trends, trading volumes, and sentiment analysis. Then, use these facts to develop a trading strategy that aligns with the data. The bot will then use the extracted facts to determine whether it's a good time to buy, sell, or hold based on your predefined trading parameters. 1. Combining techniques. To maximize the bot's effectiveness, you can combine these techniques. Prompt the bot to think step by step about COT factors while considering the facts it has generated. This will help the bot make trading decisions that are both logically sound and market fact-based. For example, prompt the bot with, enumerate logical outcomes based on the COT factors you've considered, such as recent price movements and market sentiment. Additionally, incorporate the facts you've gathered about the current market conditions. Use this combined information to determine your trading action. By adapting the advanced prompting techniques outlined in the entire video series to the world of crypto trading, you can create a trading bot that makes more informed decisions, taking into account both technical analysis and fundamental data. As you begin, I recommend that you fine-tune your prompts and strategies based on your trading goals and risk tolerance. As you and the bot get better at trading, ramp it up from there. Until next time, this is the Dark Sage wishing you all the best in your crypto trading and investing endeavors.